What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gat Talks. Today we will be taking a basic review and a first look of the L8 fitness tracker, heart rate monitor, and blood pressure monitor smartwatch. This smartwatch has a variety of colors, mainly three colors. It's the black, red, and yellow. And they all come with silicone bands and a what it feels like a glass surface screen. And it could go anywhere from $30 to mid $40 depending on the website and seller that you choose to get this from. I will be having my Amazon or eBay affiliate link in the video description below. So if you guys do want to purchase it from reputable sellers and websites, you can use my affiliate link in my video description below, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys have not yet already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new regular videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. Now that we got that over with, let's check out some of the features that this watch comes with. And if you guys have been paying attention to my previous videos, this is an updated version of the L5 smartwatch. In my opinion, I actually like this L8 smartwatch a lot more because it has a bigger watch face. So it feels a lot more masculine. And it's definitely a guy's smartwatch because of how big it is. And I love the design and how it looks. Sure, it only costs about $30 to mid $40, but it definitely gives a feel that it costs somewhere around $100. That's what it feels like when I wear this watch. I love the resolution on the screen. It feels almost like the L5, but it seems like a little bit more clear. That's just my take on it. And you have one button that controls just turning on and off the watch screen, but it also has gesture control. So what it means is that, let me put this watch on real quick. This is the red color of the watch. And it really only varies within the watch band itself. So it's not even going to, between the different colors. The watch band does not differ entirely, but it's only the inside of the band. So this one is actually red. For the black one, it's really full black. And just the rims of the screen, that would differ in color. So very little, variations between the colors, but I think it's enough variation to be distinguished between the three. Now, this watch is also gesture control. So what it means is when you shake your wrist or just do this motion, it will come on automatically without you having to touch this button right here to turn it on. Now let's explore some of the features that this watch has to offer. So, this watch interface actually is kind of different from the L5. In my opinion, it's actually a lot more intuitive than the L5. So let me show you what I mean. In the L5, you would actually be able to just keep forwarding between your option screen. So if you keep going like this, you can actually go through all the functions that way. This one, you can actually swipe in all four directions. If you swipe right, you will see your heart rate monitor. If you swipe down, you will see your settings. If you swipe up, you will see some of the other functions that comes with this watch, which has the most options when you swipe up. So let's see what options are here. You're going to have your pedometer, which keeps track of your steps, distance, and calories burnt, which is very standard for a fitness tracker smartwatch. You also have your sleep monitor, which I never really use because I hate wearing a watch to sleep or anything on my hand. You're gonna have your music controller. This looks like a weather forecast. It looks like you do need to connect your app with it from your phone. You're going to have your heart rate monitor again on here. And let's check out what this is. I think this is actually an ECG function. I do need to confirm that, but not on this video. You're going to have your blood pressure monitor. your blood oxygen, which I never really use. I really only use the heart rate monitor and the blood pressure monitor for my fitness tracking goals. I think this is your multi-sport mode, so if you want to find out your calories, your calories burnt, and your distance traveled in different sport modes, that is available, as you can see. So it has quite a bit of sport modes. And then your some of your other very standard functions as well. It looks like you have your anti-loss, remote camera, and it looks like you also have this looks like an Alipay payment, which exactly is it. That's pretty cool. So you'd be able to actually make payments from Alipay with this watch, which may or may not be too helpful for people in other countries other than China, who, where Alipay is most predominant. But I think for every other nation, that's probably not as helpful, but it's extra to have. Your message reminders, which is where you swipe right. So for the most part, I really like the interface and the look of this watch. It is technically a fitness tracker, but it has your watch functions, and it just looks like a great watch. For the price of mid-30s to mid-40s, this is definitely a watch I would get. And from my opinion, this is an upgrade from the L5. There's quite a bit of similar watches in that same family of L5, L8s. I think there's also an L3 as well. I will be following up with another video with the L3 smartwatch and any other updates from that watch family. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you can use my Amazon or eBay affiliate link in the video description below that will support my channel, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys next time.